Hello everyone and welcome to Daily Algebra. We have a question under fraction. It says, Ampere spends 1/4 of his monthly earnings on food, 1/3 of the remainder on children's education, and the rest for other things. If the fraction for other things is 720 Ghana cedis, find A, the fraction spent on other things. B says his monthly salary, and then the C, the amount he spends on food. All right. Total fraction is always equal to 1, and it's also equal to the monthly earning. Find that of the remainder when he spends on food. So the remainder will be equal to total fraction minus fraction spent on food. So 1 minus 1/4. And solving this, we get 414 minus 1/4. Yes, so 4 minus 1 is 3/4. 1/3 of the remainder on children's education. So children education is equal to 1/3 of the remainder. The remainder is what? 3/4. And this will give us 1/3 times 3/4. This cancels that. We have 1/4. That's for children education. The rest will be equal to the remainder minus fraction on children education. So the rest will be equal to remainder, that's 3/4, minus fraction on children's education, that's 1/4. By solving this, you have the same denominator, so you write that, then we subtract the numerators. 3 minus 1 gives us 2, and this is 1/2. Very good. The question says, if the fraction for other things is 720 cedis, find the fraction spent on other things. So A, fraction spent on other things is 1/2. B, his monthly salary. B, monthly salary. We equate the fractions with them. So half is equal to 720 cedis. Total fraction is the monthly earning, and that was 1. So we find 1, and we don't know the amount. So we put a variable there, and then we make the variable the subject to find the monthly salary. So we cross multiply, have half x is equal to 720. You can multiply both sides by 2. Now your x will be a 0 here. 2 times 2 gives you 4. 2 times 7 gives you 14. 1,440 cedis. 1,440. Now we are on C. The amount he spends on food. 1 is now 1,440. Fraction on food is 1 over 4. So 1 over 4, this represents monthly. Let's assume this be y, and this represents amount on food. By cross multiplying, you have y to be 1/4 of 1440. 1/4 of 1440. So our y will be 4 goes into 14 3 times. So goes there 3. Remember 2. 2 comes here. 4 into 24 is 6 and then a 0. So into 240, 60 times. So 4 goes here, goes there 360. Spent on food is 360 Ghana cedis.